So as you guys know, this is our Ellia 3000. We have the mulching attachment and we have the bed forming attachment, but today I want to particularly focus on our scratcher attachment. Now this here is essentially the same as a tilther or a mini rotary hoe, and the purpose for this is to prepare the top couple of mil of your soil before you transplant or you direct seed. Now, as you know, rotary hoes aren't ideal when it comes to microbe and soil structure and these kinds of things. So we take it very important that so much as in with the Ellia 3000 or our Eco Harrow, we have a precision depth attachment. So you're not going to disturb more microbes than what you want. So this here is our precision depth attachment. It's got the roller on the front and the back. Now you can order this as a complete kit, so you've got this as a kit, it will come, or you can personally just buy the scratcher and then add one roll on the back just to give you a good bed form, a nice even surface, or you can get the one on the front and that'll give you 2 points of which you can set your scratcher so that it gives you the right depth. Now I've got a set here about halfway, so that's probably going to give us approximately 30 millimeter. Now with your Yang seeder, that's all you want, about 30 millimeters. If you're using our paper pot planter, you're going to want about 60 millimeters, so a bit deeper. But with this here, you can accurately set your depth to whatever you want. Whether you want to just do 10 mil just to sort of cut the top of the weeds off, as opposed to using something like our flame weeder or something, you can do that as well. I'm going to show you how it goes now, and then we'll talk a little bit more. So there you can see I've done the second pass now. We've got a beautifully formed bed. We've prepared only the top part, whatever we set our depth to, that's what we've got. We've got here about 30 millimeters of beautifully prepared soil, and it still retains that soil structure. It's still got big clumps and little clumps, and you can see the different parts in there. But it's not gone any deeper than that preset height that we've got it at. So that's the benefit and the beauty of the Ellia 3000 with a scratcher and the precision depth roller.